everyone, welcome to another adventure of Clots on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Too late unfortunately. There were plans today to go up crux in the snow. It started raining, so all the snow is mostly gone. Still some there on the Carnethi. We're with Spencer today. So
why am I doing that?
He's wondering why he's doing this.
Stay in bed weather.
Stay in bed weather, definitely is. Forecast, a little bit of a dry spell with intermittent showers. We're gonna go up Milestone Gully and see what that's about. Maybe a couple of days short because the weather is rolling in at 1:30. So let's get going and see what this is about. So yeah, we've come up behind the dry stone wall, over the stile, come back down, gone back around there, in the corner of Milestone buttress. Bloody hell. Bit of rain here and there, not in the forecast. Let's get to the gully. Look, we got our old friend, not Spencer, no, here, Milestone approach. And we're going right here into the gully. Milestone Gully. Some views. And rain looks like it's eased off a little bit. But look, it's gonna be a wet one. Right, rain's eased off. There we go, it's the gully. Let's do this. Little waterfall going down it, so it'll be interesting. Let's do this. Yeah, it's nice here, mate.
I had a shower today.
Yeah, so did I. Having another one, a free one.
Could have got me champagne.
Now you can't go the other way around, mate. You can go around if you want.
Yeah.
It looks easier. There's a couple pretty broad steps I took here, mate. Right, here goes into the Raging River. Take your time, mate. Right, here we go. Oh yes. Yeah, left hand fence. Try hold on there on the corner. Yeah. Pocket over here, mate. Pocket. Yeah. Got it, mate. You got it. Right. Onwards and upwards. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's getting better now, mate. See that? Wedge your foot in. Oh, good fun this. Ah, can see the abseil anchor. Whew, look at that, awesome, absolutely awesome. Oh yes, and that Milestone Gully. Spencer making his way up for the final section. I tell you, that's something else in the wet. Definitely need to take care there. And it's pretty cold. No point wearing gloves when it's actually cascading down. I'm glad to have done this. Really happy to have done this. We're gonna head towards Northwards through the ramp. You can do the milestone continuation, which is behind here somewhere, I think. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.
Bye.